the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. Mr. Speaker, at the commencement of the sittings of the Committee on Appointments, I did raise issues, of course, about the constitutional and legal status of the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary, on which you ruled. And of course, we have to accept the ruling, Mr. Speaker. The committee has gone ahead to approve, therefore, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi's appointment, but with a rider. And the rider is contained in page 39, page 40, chapter 8, or part 8. If you go down there, the last sentence on that page, in its deliberations, after the approval hearing of the nominee, the committee observed that it may be necessary to establish a legislative framework to further elaborate on the roles and functions of the office of the Prime Cabinet Secretary. That is the committee in its wisdom, making a pronouncement of monumental effect, that this office, if left the way it is, could in essence turn the Honorable Mudavadi into an idle cabinet secretary. It could easily turn him into something I want to mention, into an errand boy, sort of. That this House, together with the executive, needs to move with speed and create a legislative framework for this office to function effectively as that of a cabinet secretary. Otherwise, you end up having the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, whom we really respect, sitting idly and trying to look for roles to perform, trying to get some roles from the Deputy President, some roles from the President, some roles from the CS for Interior. That is not going to be good for this country and for the person of the stature of the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. So the committee has duly recommended that in a short while, that legislative framework needs to be established for this office to be anchored properly in law. Mr. Speaker,